fast-moving world. We often forget to pause.
Yoga. In this fast-moving world, we often forget to pause. We chase success, but lose our peace. Yoga is not just exercise, it is a journey within. A deep breath can heal what words cannot. When the body becomes still, the mind begins to listen. Every stretch, every pose is a step closer to balance. Yoga teaches us to be strong yet calm, to bend without breaking. In silence, we discover our true strength. So take a moment, close your eyes, breathe in peace, and breathe out stress, because true happiness begins from within.